The Cairns Taipans open the season across the Tasman, walking the plank in a battle with the championship favourite New Zealand Breakers on Thursday night. Led by Kirk Penny and boasting the most stacked roster in NBL history, which includes a development player who is on the Kiwi national team, anyone not expecting the Breakers to win this game must have been spending too much time with Larry Abney. Big bodies Dusty Reichert and Rich Melzer are going to need to bring their best games to the floor to give the visitors a snowball's chance in hell of winning. Taipans guard Aaron Grabeau is out for both games this week and was quoted saying, "If I'm not going to play in New Zealand, there's no use me playing on Saturday either." End quote. On Saturday night, the Taipans host the Adelaide 36ers. With an outside arsenal led by Cortez Groves and Darren Nung, the Taipans might really miss Grabeau in this game against a smaller opposition, especially if the Sixers play small ball. Cairns must avoid falling into a zip and two hole, and ending the first round with a split would be a great achievement.